Hello class 12th. After learning various methods of calculating goodwill like average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method, our next topic is goodwill treatment, goodwill calculation when there is change in profit sharing ratio. What is the treatment of goodwill when there is change in profit sharing ratio? So for this we have to pass a journal entry, that is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. This is the adjustment of goodwill. What is journal entry? Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Now, why this entry? Obviously, when partners are changing their ratio, one partner might be gaining and other partners might be sacrificing. So, journal entry is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. See example. Suppose old ratio, there are two partners A and B. Their old ratio is 3:2 and new ratio they are deciding to share profit now in ratio 1:1. Old ratio 3:2, new ratio 1:1. Now we have to check sacrifice or gain. So here I am adopting sacrifice ratio formula. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Clear? Formula of sacrifice ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. I am following this formula, sacrifice ratio. So in case of A, old ratio is 3/5. A share is 3/5 and new share of A 1/2. So according to formula, old ratio minus new ratio, A's old share minus A's new share. 3/5 minus 1/2 is equal to 1/10. Similarly, answer is 1/10. It is a positive. 1/10 is positive. So sacrifice, because we have calculating with the sacrificing ratio formula. If answer is coming positive, then it is sacrifice. Similarly with B, old ratio 2/5 minus 1/2. Old minus new. 2/5 minus 1/2 is equal to minus 1/10. Here minus sign is there, then it is gain. I am using formula of sacrificing ratio old minus new, and positive sign means sacrifice and negative sign means gain. Clear? So we have to first calculate sacrifice or gain. Goodwill is 30,000. Suppose goodwill is 30,000. Now how will we divide? Who is gaining? B. Who is gaining here? B. So entry would be B's capital account debit to A's capital account. B is gaining, A is sacrificing, gaining partner to sacrificing ratio partner. B's capital account debit to A's capital account. How 3,000? Goodwill is 30,000 into, we have to divide it in the gain or sacrifice. Here is 1/10. So 30,000 into 1/10, that is 3,000. Clear? Goodwill is 30,000. We will divide it in gain or sacrifice. That is 1/10, 1/10 same. So 30,000 into 1/10. B's capital account debit to A's capital account 3,000, 3,000. This is treatment of goodwill in case of partners sharing their ratio. Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Clear? Now see next topic. Treatment of profits and reserves. Profits and reserves are always distributed among partners. They are income for partners, and where will it go? These will go in partners capital account on credit side. Credit side of partners account means the things which partners are getting. So profits and reserves are distributed among partners and credited to partners capital account. Clear? See, there are two parts of treatment of profit and reserves. One, when reserves and profits are transferred to capital account, as we are doing, means we are distributing reserves and profit to partner. Transfer to capital account means distribution of reserves and profits to partner. And second part, when reserves and profits are not transferred to capital account means not distributing among partners. So in case 1, when partners are distributing profits and reserve, then we have to pass one journal entry. As we know, these all will go to partners capital account on credit side, means partners capital account will be credited. So reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit to old partners capital account or current account. Where these will go? In partners capital account or in current account. So entry would be reserve account, profit and loss account to old partners capital account or current account. Distribution of reserve and profit in old ratio. In question 2 ratios are given, but we have to divide in old ratio. Clear? Distribution of profits and reserve will be in old ratio always. Clear? If partners are distributing, it will be divided in old ratio. Clear? Partners account will be credit and things like reserve and profit and loss will be debited. But if partners don't want to distribute reserves and profits, then we will make entry like treatment of goodwill. Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partner. Clear? If partners don't want to distribute general reserve, then we have to make entry like treatment of goodwill, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partner. In almost cases, reserve will be distributed in partners capital account in old ratio like this method. Clear? Treatment of profit and reserve. Now see examples. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1. Their new ratio is 5:3. For this purpose, goodwill is valued at total, here not average. Clear? Total of 2 years profit preceding the date of decision. 2 years profit we have to take and total, not average. Always read question very carefully. The profits are 60,000, 70,000 and 90,000 past journal entry. So first of all we have to calculate goodwill. Now we have to take 2 years goodwill preceding the date of decisions and 3 years profit are given, then we will take last 2 years profit. Means 70,000 and 90,000, not 60,000 and 70,000. Always keep this thing in mind. Last 2 years means last 2 years, not first 2 years. Clear? So value of goodwill is total of 2 years profit, not average. So we will take total 70,000 and 90,000, that is 1,60,000. It is our goodwill. Clear? 1,60,000 value of goodwill. Old ratio 3:1, new ratio 5:3. So according to sacrifice ratio, old minus new. X share, old minus new 3/4 minus 5/8 is equal to 1/8. Positive sacrifice. Y is old share 1/4, new share 3/8. That is minus 1/8 means gain. Clear? Journal entry would be gaining partner to sacrificing partner. Here Y is gaining. So Y is capital account debit to X capital account. Goodwill is 1,60,000. It will be divided according to sacrifice or gain, that is 1/8, 1/8. 1,60,000 into 1/8, that is 20,000, 20,000. Clear? Now see next example. Profit and loss balance 1,20,000. General reserve 45,000. Workman compensation reserve 60,000. Advertisement suspense, its debit 90,000. Old ratio 4:3:2 and new ratio 1:1:1. Clear? Partners are changing their ratio. Old ratio 4:3:2, new ratio 1:1:1. Now see, profit and loss account, nothing is mentioned debit or credit. It is always credit, means it is always profit. Debit balance of profit and loss means loss. Credit balance of profit and loss means profit. General reserve is also distributing among partners. Workman compensation reserve is also distributing. Means all reserves are always distributing among partners. But advertisement suspense is a loss. It is a fictitious asset. So partners capital account would be debited by this figure. These profit and loss, general reserve and workman compensation reserve are credited to partners capital account, but advertisement suspense is a loss and it would be debited to partners capital account. So I am explaining this with both cases, when partners are distributing and when partners are not distributing. Case 1, when partners are distributing, then these all will be credited in partners capital account. See, profit and loss account, general reserve account and workman compensation reserve account debit, and partners are X capital to Y's capital to Z's capital. Total of these amount will be distributed in partner in old ratio, that is 4:3:2. Always distribution of profits and reserve is done in old ratio. Clear? And advertisement suspense is a loss, then partners capital account would be debit. X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to advertisement suspense. 90,000 will be divided again in old ratio. Clear? Reserves and profit and loss credit balance is divided in old ratio and partners capital accounts are credited, but advertisement suspense and profit and loss debit balance make partners capital account debit. It is our case 1, when partners are distributing profits and now see case 2, when partners are not distributing. In this case we have to treat it like goodwill treatment, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Old ratio 4:3:2, new ratio 1:1:1. I am using sacrifice ratio formula, old minus new, that is 1/9, positive sign, sacrifice Y 0 and Z, old minus new, minus 1/9, that is gain. Clear? Now see the amount. Profit and loss, general reserve, workman compensation reserve, these all are given to partners and we have to take or debit partners capital account with advertisement suspense. So these all will be added and advertisement suspense will be deducted. 1,20,000 plus 45 plus 60 minus loss 90,000, that is total amount is 1,35,000. So goodwill, who is gaining? Z. Z's capital account debit to X capital account, total amount is 1,35,000 into, we have to divide it in sacrifice or gain, 1/9, 1/9. So 1/9 is 15,000. So journal entry would be Z's capital account debit to X capital account, 1,35,000 into 1/9, that is 15,000. So this is when partners are not distributing reserves and profit and loss. Clear? So practice these questions.